And of course, let's take a look back at March of 1987 when Dale Sr. held off his rivals, the Bodine brothers, Darrell Waltrip and Harry Gant. It was Dale's second consecutive NASCAR Xfinity Series win here in Darlington in the Goodwrench number 8. And remember, this was before Dale Sr. had Goodwrench on his cup car. That was back when he was still flying the regular colors on Sunday. So kind of a throwback within a throwback there. But a beautifully restored car as it makes its way through the middle of turns 3 and 4 now. Dale Earnhardt Jr. really opening up as he hits the front straightaway. We'll see, but giving away as he comes past the start-finish line.
On the big screen, the way it looked when he fought with the Bodine brothers, especially Jeff Bodine, to win at Darlington, as you mentioned, back in 1987.
Really super cool looking paint scheme on the side of that car. Again, completely restored. This has been a project that Dale Earnhardt Jr. personally has been working on for quite a long time. They finally got the car together. They've been able to restore it, and this is the icing on the cake, being able to take it around Darlington on the high banks of this famous and historic racetrack. What an honor, what a pleasure to see this car in person. Race fans, you're getting a real treat. Dale Earnhardt Jr. once again up here as he comes by the start-finish line.
Really glad y'all